Take a quirky road trip detour to Amarillo, Texas, and witness the iconic Cadillac Ranch. 10 classic Cadillacs, half buried nose down in a field, create a dazzling pop art masterpiece. This roadside attraction is totally free and perfect for capturing unique photos and soaking up some Route 66 nostalgia. Cadillac Ranch features 10 Cadillacs from 1949 to 1963 buried nose down in the ground, angled at the same angle as the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. This quirky art installation is a commentary on American car culture and materialism. Don't forget to say howdy to Cadillac Ranch on your Texas adventure. Subscribe and like for more travel videos. Thank you, and see you next video.